Hello Team Novastar, Team Andromeda, and Team Sirius. Mrs. Thompson is back with another scavenger hunt. So this time you won't need to shoot a video, but I'm going to show you how I went around my house to find a few things to make a comma in a series sentence or using commas in a list. So you will be making a sentence with your items and you can share them with your class and you'll be writing them out, but you don't have to make a video this time. This is just me showing you what it could look like. So here you should see I have a few of my favorite things that I've picked and I'm going to show you them. So the first thing I picked was my piano. The second thing I picked was chocolate. The third thing I picked were books. The last thing I picked were puzzles. So once again, what do all these things have in common? Well, they're some of my favorite things. What we're asking you to do today is find some of your favorite things and use them to create a list. And I'll show you what that could look like in just a second. Now that I've collected my favorite things, I'm going to turn them into a list using the comma in a series. As we've progressed through this, I know that I need a comma between each item, and then I also need a conjunction at the end. So my list was my favorite things are the piano, chocolate, books, and puzzles. It is that simple. All you need to do are list the items. There is another way to do it if you would like to try it. So each of these things that I chose as my favorite, they also go with actions. So if I wanted to do it that way, I could say my favorite things are playing the piano, eating chocolate, reading books, and working on puzzles. Each of these has an action or a verb that goes with the actual object that I talked about as my favorite thing. So now we want you to do the same. What are your favorite things? It can be anything you want, but we want you to go around your house. You don't have to get 4. I got 4 just to show you more examples. At least 3 items. And then come back. You can share them on Zoom and create your comma in a series sentence. Some ideas to get you started. Did you get any gifts over the break that might be a new favorite thing? What makes you really happy? What do you enjoy? Piano is definitely something I enjoy, so I added that. And then if you were moving, what would be 3 things that you would have to take? All right, can't wait to see all of your sentences. Remember though, when you are writing them out, you want to put a comma between each item, and you want to add that conjunction. And especially if you're going to go with actions, make sure you have a clear action with each of your objects as well. Good luck!